love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. It's been a long time. Well, it's not been a long time, but it feels like it. And today, I don't know what we're going to be doing. And I've not done a video by myself. There's usually Kaden, somebody here with me. But today I decided to do a video by myself because why not? I've not done one since my first video. Hi y'all, welcome back. So this is my first video. For my first video I decided why not let's try some Hawaiian sex. I miss talking to you guys by myself because I usually have everybody here and they talk. And I can't really talk to y'all. So if you want me to do more videos, comment down below. Whatever you want, I'll try to give it to you. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I have some. Do you not know what this is? It's a blue box. We love blue boxes, trust me. We have some SnackCrate. I know, I do not know what's in the SnackCrate. I'm like wanting to know. I'm like really wanting to know what's in it. Okay, so when you first open up, there's some stickers. These stickers give me a hint. Hawaii, maybe? And that can either be hot, I don't know what it is. It's usually babies, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the SnackCrate box. I will leave the thing in the bio if you want to purchase one of these. Please purchase one because these are the best thing ever. You don't even know what you're getting. Like, it comes from a different country every month, so I'm super excited. Okay, so I can Philippines, right? Yes. Okay, so this is from the Philippines. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the ends. Oh. So let's see what we can get in here. Oh, there's a lot of good things, but I'm ready for the bottom because this is just all chips. Chippy. We have some Chickpeas. There are flavored barbecue corn chips. That sounds good. I'm like really hungry, so that's probably why. They're Jack and Jill cherry. Chickpeas. A crunchy bite-sized corn chip snack flavored with either barbecue or grilled and cheese. That sounds disgusting. Wish I could be right here and try it with me. All my fans just like right here. Yeah, those don't smell so well. You're probably sure know what a corn chip is, but I'm just gonna show you. Let's try it. But I give these a 2 out of 10 because I didn't really like the flavor, but they're corn chips. I love corn chips. Sponge crunch and a chocolate coated snack. A crunchy corn snack that is soaked in rich chocolate. Corn snack, rich chocolate. Unless you were talking about the sweet corn snacks where we put the legs together, they're good. Last night, y'all, I had slept on the wrong side of the bed. Right here, it hurts.
Next morning.
Oh, they smell like really cute. What's those things? Cocoa chips. They smell like Cocoa Puffs. Let's try it. They taste like Nutty Buddies. Those are really good. Boy Bang Wings Corn Nick. Crispy, crunchy corn nuts that are doused in adobo flavor. Let's try it. They're really good. I rate these a 10 out of 10 because they're delicious. Ooh, so we have some dried mango. Whoa. A natural twist on the sweet flavor of the Philippines in their ingredients, dried mango. think Nana would like these. Nana would like them. I could eat these every day. They look good. Really hard to chew them. Delicious. I rate that a 10 out of 10. So good. It's waffle. That's what it's called. Rolled water with creamy chocolate filling. Crispy rolled wafer stick with a creamy chocolate filling. Mmm. 10 out of 10. The next one, Ooh, what's that? I'm gonna try it. Drink! There's a drink. Glamatzi juice drink. It's not in there, guys, so we're just gonna drink it, and I'm gonna describe it off what I drink. It looks like limes. It smells just like when I put my tacos on. Delicious. Okay, let's try it. Oh, that smells sour. I'm scared. Oh, God. Got me some water, y'all. Wow. Pretty good. Oh, not bad for taste. Not bad for taste. Orange, like, you know the skin of oranges? It tastes like that aftertaste. I rated it a 9 out of 10. That's what I would drink. Coffee candy. It rips really easily, y'all. A delicious sweet Philippine flavor. The harder candy features coffee or butter caramel flavoring. Coffee. I love black coffee, y'all. I don't know why, I love it. So I rated it a 10 out of 10 because I love black coffee. We're gonna try this one. It is a classic milky chocolate. This classic chocolate bar has been loved by generations of Philippine families. So this is from the 1900s. This piece of chocolate in this wrapper. I know, I've been laughing all day, y'all. Laughing all day in class and everything. And this looks pretty. Let's try it. I hate the texture. I can't do the texture like this. Anyways, piece I just ate was nasty. I hate textures like that. It was like this chocolate, but it was tough. So I'm not to judge the Philippines. I'm just giving it my best opinion. Ooh, there is Quake. Quake like cake. Quake chocolate cake with chocolate filling. Chocolate burst. Jack and Jill Quake Bar. A deserted chocolate cake that's bursting with chocolate filling. It looks like a brownie. It's a cute brownie, actually. Just with some chocolate. On to the next snack, because I'm ready. We have the Pipe Bites. Sweet churro filling with white chocolate and cut into bite-sized pieces.
Eventually.
Smell really good. That's what they look like. Try. gonna bite into it and show you what the middle looks like. I don't usually like the taste of it. 9 out of 10. These are Sky Flakes crackers. There is a chocolate one and there's a vanilla one. So let's read it. Sky Flakes, a light crispy cracker with rich creamy filling of chocolate or sweet milk. Let's try to sneak a little sweet milk first. They do look like little crackers. Oh, they break into 3 pieces. I give that one a 0. Now let's try the chocolate one. If it's nasty, I'm gonna throw up. Usually what happens when something's nasty. Let's try it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Nasty, nasty, nasty.
What?
They're Primary Toast Classics. A butter yet sweet crunchy toast cracker, a staple snack in Philippines. You gotta try it, y'all. Let me even bite into it. Ugh. Ugh. I give that one a 0. So we got some Uba cake. A light and fluffy sponge cake packed with delicious Uba flavor. Party in the house, y'all. I'm not playing in the house, y'all. Over seven. Gosh, my hell talk. Of the 8 known species of giant clams in the world, 7 can be found in the Philippines. Clams are so good. The national symbol of the Philippines is the Philippine eagle. My favorite one was the XO coffee, classic coffee candy. And smash that like button if you like this video and comment down below. Bye.